A Cycling Bicycle Product Guide. Chapter 1. Cycling Products for Sale. Bike Resources. Bicycling Magazine. 135 North 6th St. Emmaus, Pennsylvania 18098. 800-666-2806. Bicycling.com. Bicycle Federation of America. 202-463-6622. Bikeft.org. Active.com, Events. Bicyclingmagazine.com, 800-666-2806. Bike.com. Cycling.org. Cyclingforums.com. Bicycle Product Websites 1. 4wc.com. acsbmx.com. adv-cycling.org. adventurecomponents.com. airborne.net. alcoa.com. alliedcycle.com. ambrosiospa.com. mclassic.com, American Classic. americancycle.com. answerproducts.com. atoc.com, Tandem Topper. avocet.com. bellsports.com, Bell Sports. bhsi.org, Helmet Laws. bianchi.it. bicyclebuys.com, 888-4 BikeBuy. bicyclecart.com. bicyclecoffeesystems.com, Bicycle Coffee Systems. bicyclistereo.com. bicycletool.com. Bicycle Product Websites 2. bikebillboard.com. bikebrain.com, Palm. bikeculture.com. bikepartsplace.com. bikeep.com, 800-728-0856. bikepro.com. bikerackshops.com. bikeride.com. bikes.com. bikesatwork.com. bikeschool.com, Learn to make bikes. bikesdirect.com. bikesource.com. bikehistory.com. bike-swap.com. bikeup.com. bikeweekreport.com. bikeyworld.com. blueskicyclecarts.com. bmd.nl, bmd. bobtrailers.com. bondhus.com. branfordbike.com. bringheli.com. brookssaddles.com, Brooks Saddles. bullseyecycle.com. burley.com. camelbach.com. campagnolo.com. campmer.com. campybike.com. campionly.com. canecreek.com. cannondale.com. carradis.co.uk. cascadedsigns.com. cateye.com. cateye.com, cateye. chrisking.com. cobworks.com, oyster bucket panniers. cokercycles.com. coloradocyclist.com. conti-online.com. crankmail.com. cyclart.com. cyclecalifornia.com. cyclery.com. cycletote.com. Bicycle Product Websites 3. diamondback.com. dtswiss.com. dinohubs.html, dinohubs. echowl.com.tw, echowell. elite-it.com. fchariot.com. fursearchy.com. fitter1.com, tricycle gadget. freshframe.com. fullspeedahead.com. gearhead.com, cycling. gearlink.com. giant-bicycle.com. girlgroove.com. gyro.com. gorp.com. gtbicycles.com. gunnarbikes.com. harriscyclery.net. hdtrailer.fix.net. henryjames.com. highwheel.com/pedicab, makers of bike taxis. hollandmechanics.com, hottubes.com, hscycle.com, iBicycles.com, ibike.org, ipmba.org, ipmba, Raleigh Police Bicycles, jdcf.org, joeclark.org/vista.html, Vista Lite, k2bike.com, kalagroup.com, kellybike.com, kendausa.com, khsbicycles.com, kleinbikes.com, coolbikes.com, Pfeiffer Frames, coolstop.com, kutcherik.com, lhthomson.com, lightfootcycles.com, lightningbikes.com, litespeed.com, lloydcycles.co.uk, lookcyclesusa.com, louiscruise.com. Bicycle product websites for louisgarneau.com, maddenusa.com, magura.com, marwiusa.com, marzaki.com, mavic.com, maxistires.com. Mountain bike products for sale. dirtcamp.com, 800-711 dirt. Bike Camp. Mobilation. 888-88 Mobile. Mobilation.com. Tricycles, scooters. Performance Bicycle Shop. POG 2741. Chapel Hill, North Carolina 27514. 800-727-2453. Performancebike.com. Canadian bikes for sale. raleigh-canada.ca. rona.ca/shop. atl-canadacycling.com. canadiancyclist.com. sugoi.ca. mec.ca, 800-663-2667. Bike Canada. 800-951-2453. Big Bicycles for Big People. giant-bicycles.com. Bicycle, folding products. Folding bicycles are easier to transport. bromptonbike.com. burley.com. carrybike.com. daon.com. deblasi.com. terratran.com. avonmarine.com. 800-854-7595. bikefriday.com. 800-777-0258. bromptonbike.com. 800-783-3447. mongoose.com. 800-645-5806. montagueco.com. 800-456-5983. zapbikes.com. 800-251-4555. Bicycle rack products. These are racks for cars. deltacycle.com. draftmaster.com. 800-659-5569. graber-products.com. 800-783-7257. hollywoodracks.com. 800-747-4085. outdoorsports.com. 800-722-5734. road gear. 800-776-5677. bellsports.com. saris-products.com. 800-783-7257. thulierx.com. thule.com. 800-238-2388. yakima.com. 888-925-4621. 800-348-9232. Bicycle seat products. These are soft seats to save your butt and genitalia. airbunz.com. derri-air.com. Bicycle, motorized. bikemotor.com. 5flagsmotorbikes.com, powerassist.com.